Friday, get ready with me. I really don't want to go to school today, but thankfully I have free dress so I can wear whatever I want. As you Swifties know, Taylor's album came out last night, and I love it so much. Now today I have dark chocolate. Open this up. And guys, I tried the dark chocolate one. It's not good, but that's okay because I'm gonna drink my dark chocolate one. So good. My ever-eating party is in 8 days. Also, guys, it's like 6:50, so I might be cut. Anyone else's alarms just like not alarm, not wake them up? Because mine for sure do. I still was not able to make it through the day yesterday. I went to first period for a little bit, then I just went with the counselors and did my work. But today I'm deciding it's gonna be a good day. This one is so good. It's classic dark chocolate. I do not suggest getting dark chocolate. In my opinion. There's so many exciting things coming up, and I'm really excited. Like, everyone at my school hates Taylor Swift, so I have no one to talk to about her new album. Time update, it's 7:04. Now let's do my lip combo. Some of you guys are wondering what I did. I don't know how to pronounce this. It's like the peel off Scatching in the shade Get Ready. And then I let this sit for 20 minutes, but when I peel it off, I use this Tower 28 lip gloss in shade Lucky. This is my favorite perfume ever. I'm gonna add a few more curls. Alright guys, I'll be back when I'm done. Guys, I finished my lips and I finished curling my hair. I'm running late, so I have to go. Bye, love you.